What's up, guys? Doing a quick video for you here. Sorry, it's been a while. I am doing this little delete kit here for the ABS in the trunk. I got it all loose and ready to go. Yeah, so anyway, let's do this real quick. As you can see, it's been spilling everywhere for a while. It's time to do it. It's starting to eat up the paint down here. Fuck that, get it out of here. I think it's Infinite Machine Concepts that I got this thing from. Like 169 bucks, I think. It's been a little while. I've been working like crazy. I got a job as a mechanic again, so you never have any time to work in your own car. Shit, I forgot to get this one loose. It's alright. Do it together. This guy. Okay. Oh shit, I don't have an 8mm, so we're not going to be able to get this thing completely off right now. I got all my tools at work, sucks. I might have one in the house, but we'll be able to get this shit out of the way, I think, enough, and still get it on there. Okay, let's get these babies off real quick. See if we can slide this pump out of place enough. Get the new one in. Come on. It's not finger tight. This one is. Another bolt in the end here. Okay. So these things go out, and they don't make them anymore. So, I don't know, I grew up without it. I had a 280Z to start with. I didn't even have ABS or traction control or any of this shit, so I'm not real worried about it. The ABS light's been on since I bought the car 20 years ago. So, this thing's out of here. Hope for a little stiffer braking too, because it is a little soft on the NAs, to be honest. Especially when you're boosted up a bit, you know? It's a little scary. Anyway, this thing started locking up the rear brake because this thing's so bad, so it's time. Looks like we should be able to get it out of the way. Just need to get this last thing off. Okay. Come on off there, damn it. Of course we're gonna have to bleed the brakes and all that, and that's not gonna be in this video, but probably make another one for that. Just holding this up here. Get out of there. Alright. Now that that's all out of the way, except for this little 8mm leash, because I don't have one on me right now, let's go ahead and start getting this thing on there. Oh shit, I bent one of these. God damn it. Alright, I'm gonna have to put up a second video. I gotta bend that back real quick. Alright guys, I'll be back. Whoops.